Hello programmers, I'm Yash, sole programmer at planetvearcity, a place where programmers come to learn, build and grow. Welcome to tutorial series on shell scripting. In this video we will learn how to use OR operator. So let's get started. For people who don't know what OR operator is, it looks like this and it's used to test conditions, multiple conditions. Anyways, you will see. So we will be creating one small example of using time. So we'll say bin bash and save echo -e /n copy and paste it right here. Okay, so we will ask for input from the user and we will say let's say please enter time, please enter current time. And so when we do time, it looks like it, I think it's one of the commands in shell, so let's not do that. So we will say current time and then we will have our if condition and we will say current time. And so guys, whenever you are working with this if part, make sure there's space after the square brackets, both in the after the open bracket and just before the close bracket. Okay, and we will say is greater than 18, so that will be 6 p.m. or if it is, if current time is less than 10. Does it make sense? Yep, it does make sense. Then echo office is closed, come back later. And then we will have else statement which will echo yay, office is open. And of course don't forget the fi, and let's go ahead and test it out. So when I run the script and I say 21, okay, it says office is closed, come back later. Let's try 11, yay, office is open. Let's try 18, what happens? Okay, it works. And what if we try 10? It works too. Let's try 9. Okay, perfect. So that's how you use logical operator, logical OR operator. This is called logical OR operator. There is one more way of using OR operator. In that scenario, you will get rid of all this stuff and just say -o, -o, save and run the script again. And let's say 21 again, office is closed, and run one more scenario. Let's do 8 again. Okay, looks like it's working fine. So that's all for this video, guys. If you have any question or comment, you can post them in the comment section below. Please make sure to support the channel by hitting that like button. Also subscribe to my channel for future videos. I will see you guys next time.